맛있다. So delicious. 好吃.
Hello everybody, welcome to Babsi Home Cooking channel. Today I will cook a green onion cream cheese bagel. Yes, this is very popular in Korea and very simple and very delicious. Now I will introduce the ingredients, cream cheese and green onion and bagel and honey and garlic. Yes, now I will start cooking. We put green onion, little honey, little salt, little garlic, we start to mix. Finish. Nice. First we cut the bagel like this. Ready! It's so delicious. Let's coating. Wow, very nice smell. Wow. Wow. Looks very delicious. Very nice smell. Thank you.